Hi there, students. Hot off the presses. Okay, this is an idiom. It means the latest information, something that's just been made, the latest news, something that contains the most recent information. I think the presses, this is talking about a printing press, yeah? And if something's hot off the presses, well, it's just been printed. So a newspaper that's hot off the presses has the latest information. Let's see, I had class this morning and I said to my student, here's an exercise that is hot off the presses. I just made it. I'd just written the exercise. So it was completely new. Well, that's quite good. One of the problems, though, with that is sometimes I have mistakes in them, and it's almost like beta testing. Okay, so something that's hot off the presses, it's recently printed, it's the latest edition. So here is the student newspaper hot off the presses. Yeah, let's see. The reason for this is when you actually print things, normally the machines are quite hot, and something that comes directly out of the press is hot. Yeah, the paper is still hot, and that's why it's hot off the presses. So something that's just been released. This book is hot off the presses. Yeah, it's the latest copy of the latest Harry Potter. No, I don't think they're going to be any more. Yeah, so hot off the press. You can do it in the singular as well. Yeah, something that maybe it's sensational and exciting. So, yes, let me give you the latest news. It's hot off the press. Yeah, it's just been released. Okay, so hot off the presses. This is news that's just come out. Yeah, it's fresh, it's interesting. Let me read you this story. It's hot off the press. Well, nowadays the newspapers are normally rather slow because things come out in internet first. Yeah, so it's something that's hot off the press. Okay, hot off the presses. So if I publish this video right after I make it, then it's going to be hot off the press. Freshly printed, freshly minted, freshly created. Yeah, I guess somebody who makes things with their hands. Yeah, if they've just finished making it and they give it to you, you could say this is hot off the press. Yeah, the press talking about, in this case, the production procedure. Okay, so hot off the press, newly made. I think particularly for information and things like that. But, well, hot off the press. Okay, formality. This is a reasonably informal phrase. I think I'd probably give it something like for informality. So use it in an informal conversation, maybe a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing maybe, but don't go any further than that, certainly. And as I said before, as to the origin, well, if a newspaper comes directly off the printing press, it's still hot because the machines are hot. So something that's hot off the press, it's the latest, it's just been released. Yeah, information that's hot off the presses, it's only just been received. Yeah, maybe it's exciting and sensational as well. I got this news hot off the press. Yeah, recent news that's going to be interesting as well. So enough. Yeah, this gossip is hot off the press. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hot off the press or hot off the presses. So, bye for now.